everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. My whole life I've had short, sparse Asian lashes and they always stick downwards. I had so much difficulty curling my lashes because they were so short, and even if I applied mascara it wouldn't even make a difference. So over the past 3 months I've been testing out the Mayraki growth solution for lash and brow restoration. I've only been using the product on my lashes since I was born with bushy thick brows. Obviously, I'm very skeptical about these kinds of products, like any hair product that claims to increase hair growth in general, because I always thought that having long lashes is something you have to be born with. So I really wanted to put this product to the test for 3 months. Let me give you all a rundown of what is in this box. It comes with 3 growth serums, 3 millimeters each, and 1 nutrition serum. So you're supposed to apply the growth serums day and night on your lashes and your eyebrows if you'd like, and after you finish all the growth serums you go in with the nutrition serum every night to maintain the results. Mayraki says that this is a drug-free formula containing maximum strength of peptides and botanicals. The product is cruelty-free, fragrance-free, free of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and synthetic fillers. Here's the demo of how to use the product. First, clean and dry the skin, then open the bottle cap and replace with a transparent cover. Using the nano quality cotton bud, apply 1 thin layer of the growth serum to the lash line and 3 layers for the eyebrows, morning and night. After completing the 3 bottles of the growth serum, apply the nutrition serum, 1 thin layer to the eyelashes, and 3 to 5 layers for the eyebrows at night to increase efficacy to maintain the good results. Dispose of the cotton bud after each use. And I have some thoughts. I'm actually really shocked with my results. I'm gonna include some clips and pictures of my lashes before I started using the product, and some footage of my lashes now without any mascara. If you can't tell, these are my natural lashes. Obviously, I'm wearing mascara, but in the past, I could never get my lashes to look like this, and for the first time ever, my outer lashes bother me. Is it strange that I think they're getting too long? Because that was never an issue before. Without makeup on, they're super visible, and I've also been experiencing some hair growth in my inner corners, like new hair growth that I've never noticed before. I will try to include a clip. I don't know if the camera will be able to capture what I'm talking about. Mascara would also never show up on my lower lash line. So, I mean, it looks pretty good. Obviously, there's a combination of makeup products that you could use as well. Let me know if you all are interested in a lash routine video where I go in depth about how I keep my lashes curled and what products I use. For me, it definitely made a difference in my lashes. I will say though that before using these products, I did not take the best care of my lashes. I used to wear falsies and rip them off at the end of the day. I would get lash glue stuck in my lashes. I've taken out lashes with a lash curler before. I never put any product on my lashes, not even like to moisturize. And maybe all it takes is to take a little bit extra care of your lashes and give it some nutrients regardless of the product. I really enjoyed using this product. For the first time ever, I felt like I was really taking care of my lashes, and it was very easy to include in my daily routine. It would be part of my skincare routine. After I wash my face, I'll put on my skincare, and then right before I sleep, I'll put on the lash serum. In the morning, I would wash my face, put on the lash serum, and if I'm wearing makeup, I can put makeup right on top of it. It's perfectly fine to wear makeup with the lash serum after you let it dry first. I really liked these small cotton buds that came with it. I've used quite a bit because you're supposed to dispose of it after each use. Do not reuse cotton buds, okay? I would like to get more of these. These are super effective in getting really close to your lash line and in the little corners that are hard to get. And I'll even put it on my lower lash line. Even though it wasn't directly stated in the instructions, I thought, why not? It should work the same on your bottom lashes, right? And if you look closely on my lash line, you can see some baby lash hairs growing, which signals new hair growth. So that was really exciting. I didn't really notice a change in the thickness of my lashes, and I think that's because a lot of my lashes are different lengths, so it doesn't really look full, but it's definitely less sparse than it used to be. The biggest question when it comes to these lash growing products is how, right? How does it make your lashes grow stronger, thicker, longer? I did some research. This is just what I've got from the internet. I'll link all of my sources down below if you're interested, but if you are curious about any of the ingredients in the product, I will share what I found. In order not to bore you, I won't go into all of the ingredients, but these are the first few ingredients, which usually means that there is a higher amount of this ingredient in the product. The ingredients are listed from highest to lowest. So the first ingredient is water. The second ingredient is propanediol, which is a humectant in a lot of skincare products that keeps moisture and also serves as an emollient, which is a softener. The third ingredient is Saccharomyces cerevisiae extract, which increases skin moisture and skin micro relief, which refers to small wrinkles or surface irregularities. The fourth ingredient is oligopeptide 1, and this acts during the growth phase of the eyelashes with intense capillary stimulation at the hair root. This causes a change in cell behavior and it promotes natural hair production. The fifth ingredient is vitamin H, which is also known as biotin or vitamin B7. Biotin essentially feeds the hair follicles with the amino acids that they need. It is a conditioning treatment which improves hair's health by strengthening keratin. The sixth ingredient is folic acid, which promotes healthy cell growth and repair. It keeps follicles strong and prevents lashes from becoming brittle. This isn't the last ingredient on the list, but this is the last one that I'll include in this video. Let me know if in future videos you'd like me to break down the whole list. I just feel like some people might find it really interesting, others might find it boring and even unnecessary. So vitamin B12 is used to assist in production of oxygen-rich red blood cells, and this feeds the hair follicles. I also wanted to mention that there are some growth solutions that you can get prescribed. I don't know if that necessarily means that it works better than an over-the-counter product. Over-the-counter lash growth products are not regulated like drugs, which means that they don't go through the FDA, they're not approved by the FDA. So you can take that whatever you will. This whole kit is $90. Just let that sink in. I know that this is not accessible for a lot of people. It doesn't make sense to spend $90 to grow your lashes and your eyebrows. I get it. Even if I had $90 to spend, it would be very difficult for me to reason spending that much money. I'm sure that there are some products that could compare. I personally haven't tried any, so I can't give any recommendations. If you've already tried every lash growth product and nothing has worked for you, and if you have extra money to spend, definitely give the Mayraki Growth Solution a try. I do have a discount code for 20% off if you're interested. My code is shirley20 for 20% off. If you've tried a lash product that has worked for you, please let me know down below so I can check it out. I hope this video was helpful if you've been struggling to grow your lashes like I have. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!